Tesla's service mode is a diagnostic interface built into the vehicle's infotainment system. It allows access to advanced settings, error codes, and calibration tools. Hidden features not normally available to the user become accessible. Primarily used by Tesla-certified technicians and advanced enthusiasts for troubleshooting and low-level system functions. Service mode enables critical tasks like battery diagnostics, motor tuning, sensor calibration, and firmware flashing. It can also unlock experimental features or developer modes. Tesla uses service mode to resolve 85% of reported issues within 30 minutes at superchargers. It's a powerful tool, but misuse can void warranties or cause unintended issues. The most common method to enter service mode as of late 2025 involves a specific button sequence. First, ensure the vehicle is powered off or in accessory mode. Then, press and hold the brake pedal. Simultaneously press and hold both scroll wheel buttons on the steering wheel. Turn the vehicle on while holding these buttons for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen changes. Once in service mode, you'll typically see a menu with options like service, calibration, or diagnostics. These menus provide access to various system settings such as battery diagnostics, motor tuning, and sensor calibration. The service menu offers tools for maintenance tasks and firmware updates. Calibration helps with sensor alignment and drive mode adjustments. Diagnostics provides error code readings and system health checks. Be extremely careful when navigating and modifying settings. Improper adjustments can lead to errors, reset vehicle settings, drain batteries, or trigger error states that require a professional service visit. Using Tesla service mode incorrectly carries several risks. Improper adjustments can reset critical vehicle settings, drain the battery faster than normal, or trigger error states that require professional service to fix. In some cases, misuse could even brick the vehicle, making it inoperable. To illustrate these risks, here's an example of error notifications that can appear after improper service mode use. Notice the multiple system warnings and disabled safety features. Tesla strongly warns that service mode is designed for professional technicians only. Always double-check every adjustment before saving changes to avoid unintended consequences. Unauthorized modifications pose the greatest danger, especially attempting to unlock experimental features like full self-driving beta overrides. This can compromise vehicle safety and lead to serious accidents. Here's what the service mode interface looks like. While powerful for diagnostics, it should only be accessed by qualified professionals to prevent these risks. In 2024, Tesla Model Y owners stumbled upon an undocumented service mode entry that revealed a surprising Easter egg: a retro gaming console interface hidden within the vehicle's infotainment system. This feature included classic arcade games like Pac-Man, accessed through a specific button sequence while the car was powered off. The discovery went viral on social media, with videos showing owners playing games on their dashboard screens. However, Tesla quickly patched this out in firmware version 2024.7x, citing intellectual property concerns over the unlicensed use of retro game assets. A practical application occurred in 2025 when technicians at an Australian mining company deployed a fleet of Tesla Cybertrucks for heavy-duty operations. Using service mode, they accessed advanced calibration tools to adjust the vehicle's all-terrain suspension system, specifically for the extreme conditions of mining sites. This involved entering service mode through the standard button sequence, navigating to the calibration submenu, and running automated sensor alignment procedures. The process successfully resolved a batch of sensor drift issues that had been causing significant efficiency losses, up to 15% reduction in operational performance. Tesla documented this case in their service bulletins as an example of how service mode enables custom configurations for specialized use cases. A cautionary example emerged in 2023 when cybersecurity firm White Hat Security conducted a comprehensive analysis of Tesla's service mode security. Researchers demonstrated several methods to bypass access controls, including manipulating the button sequence timing and exploiting firmware vulnerabilities. While they didn't directly compromise vehicle safety systems, the demonstration showed how unauthorized parties could potentially alter telemetry data or access diagnostic information. The findings were published in a detailed report and presented at a major cybersecurity conference. In response, Tesla enhanced their security protocols in 2025 firmware updates, introducing encrypted entry logs, multi-factor authentication requirements, and improved audit trails. The company also settled a class action lawsuit with affected owners, providing free diagnostic services and software updates. Looking ahead, the future of Tesla service mode points to greater AI integration, enabling predictive diagnostics and automatic self-repair capabilities. This will allow vehicles to troubleshoot issues before they become problems. Remote troubleshooting will become more prevalent, with cloud-based systems allowing technicians to access service mode remotely through over-the-air updates, reducing the need for physical service visits. Experts emphasize the value of service mode for advanced enthusiasts and technicians, but they strongly warn about the risks of misuse without proper expertise. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that service mode is designed for internal use only, warning that improper use could permanently damage or brick a vehicle. There's also growing concern over data privacy, as service mode activity could be shared with insurers or regulators, prompting calls for user control over this data.